use extreme caution. For what? This? You're talking to a guy who rode up Pikes Peak. This is child's play. Paid our $10 entry fee, and now we're headed down. Oh, motorcycles use extreme caution. Needles Highway. Is this guy serious? Smell like shit.
Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam.
The wind just beat the out of us. What the hell road are we on? The wind just beat the out of us coming down 90. We stopped here at Wall Drug Store. Kind of get a snack back on the road.
There's a man in the funny papers we all know. He lives way back a long time